Okay, here's the ESO Lele with the quarter taken loose, and Jeff they'll show us what they're doing with the rebuilding of the inner structure, which is actually the step that comes before putting the quarters on to stay.
Yeah, what we have, we removed the old rotted. We got the new here, but these will go on first. This is exactly how they were when they were originally put on. We'll get those in place, and then we can properly put that secure, permanent, and from there it fits perfect under there. We have these. This is for the opposite side. This whole edge was just gone, so we peeled them off the inside, refurbished it, and they're ready to go back on the quarters, and the quarters go back on there. So we have all layers to the outside complete, ready to go back in, all prefabbed.
And the rockers, all that's reassembled now. That's all welded tight, isn't it?
Yes, and the floors, the newly fabricated floors, correct for what it should be originally. Those are finally installed.
So these floors have the wrong shape originally, and you may recall at the start of this process, we had found that we could poke a screwdriver right through this and come out the bottom of the car. And that was, of course, that's the structural backbone of the car. So that was really a big deal. And the same here. If you look at the complexity of this structure, there's multiple layers to that. So that is the outer strength of the vehicle.